Hello, we're at EHA 2017 here in Madrid, and I'm joined now by Professor Claire Harrison and Professor Jean-Jacques Kiladjian, who are going to talk to us about something quite exciting that they've developed through the strategic working groups, which we know is a big part of the EHA and how they work. Welcome to you both. So I gather you've developed a working group session on MPN. Tell us a little bit more about that.
So we're really excited as co-chairs of the MPN Strategic Working Group to invite the audience to join us at a practical workshop for regarding diagnosis and management of MPNs, which will be taking place in Budapest in October of this year.
Fantastic. And what do you have planned for that session? What kind of things can the participants look forward to?
So we could build a program with the advisory board of our scientific working group, we co-chair with Claire, to focus mostly on practical aspects. So I think our main target is to help people to better manage these diseases, better understand also the physiopathology of the disorder, and also touch about the treatment. And to make it very interactive and allow for a lot of interaction between attendees and the faculty, not a very formal meeting, but very friendly and open to discussion.
And in terms of hematologists, who should attend this? Which kind of group are you looking to come to this? What sort of?
So I think we're really aiming to attract anyone who might be involved in any aspect of the diagnosis or management of these conditions or has an interest in these conditions. So a trainee, for example. In our country, in the UK, there are actually many specialist nurses or pharmacists who are interested in this condition. We work sometimes alongside obstetricians who help us manage pregnancy. So I think the idea is to appeal to a very wide audience, even people who might be, for example, interested in doing basic clinical or scientific research, because we have a large faculty, 22 different people from all over the world who will be on site to make presentations, but also for discussion and interaction.
It sounds like a really great idea. I mean, what made you come up with this, and what made you think there might be a need for this?
Well, in fact, there have been many advances in myeloproliferative disorders for the past 10 years, let's say, especially in basic science, in the biology of these diseases, with many mutations, many changes in our understanding of disease evolution, etc. There have been also many new drugs around, some of them successful, others less, but still we have now maybe to think to new strategies in the management of these patients, maybe change our goal of treatment according to the new drugs that are now available. Rethink also the strategy of allogeneic transplantation. What is the place of this treatment among these diseases? So there are many, many new, maybe subtleties in sometimes, also big changes that maybe need to be discussed and shared between attendees and the faculty.
And do you think your colleagues may follow suit and set up something similar in other subspecialties?
Well, actually, this is quite a good strategy and a very strong feature of the EHA strategy in terms of education and spread of knowledge, and also I think young EHA as well. So we're very much trying to encourage young researchers to come and have an interactive discussion, but also to make presentations. So, for example, there will also be the opportunity to make a poster presentation at this meeting and discuss your work further, for example. So this has been used successfully in other disease areas. I'm thinking of, for example, chronic myeloid leukemia and particularly multiple myeloma. And so because there are so many changes in MPN, it also seems very timely to do this in our disease area.
Yeah, well, good luck with this, and it sounds brilliant, and I'm sure it'll be very useful for the people that come along. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.